Roshni, you're not ready? No, no. Vikas is doing. No, no, I always late. Yes. Amy?
भाई जरीन जल्दी से दिखती नहीं है और इस वक्त मैंने पकड़ लिया जरीन को एक नोबल कॉज हो रहा है बहुत बहुत स्वागत है
Excuse me? Just give a second.
अरे पीछे आओ यार बात में Zain. Solo.
This is something from Amy's जिसका हो गया प्लीज पास आउट सेकंड कास्ट
Well, so starting with both of you ladies are looking absolutely great.
Thank you.
And from the colors, the kind of colors you have worn, we can just get that it's a natural one.
Yes.
So just first of all tell Ami, what's this Earth 21 and eco fashion? What do you mean by eco fashion?
Earth 21 is a very unique eco-art fashion initiative that I have just launched on the 26th of April and wish to carry it forward for a very long time because मेरे हिसाब से eco fashion is the way to be. If you want to do anything for Mother Earth, like of course we turn off the electricity, turn off the water taps, but that is not really going to help Mother Earth. So I thought that if I started a line of eco-friendly fashion and promoted it in a very big way, we would save a lot of water, we would save a lot of electricity, and also Earth 21 is all about planting trees. So at the profits of all our outfits are going into planting trees because I think to save Mother Earth we need to plant trees. So that's Earth 21.
Okay, so Zareen, what do you think about this eco fashion? How comfortable are you with
I
this?
think it's amazing, and I would first of all like to thank Amy for making me a part of such a noble cause. Well, when you hear eco-friendly material, you really think of something not so great. You think of simple fabrics and simple outfits, but when you see her clothes, I mean, as you see what I'm wearing right now, I could not believe that it is made out of eco-friendly material. The kind of clothes that she has created with these eco-friendly material is something that you can even wear at red carpet events, and I think she's done an amazing job.
So before Ami, Zareen, had you any concept of this eco-friendly?
I had no
eco-fashion?
idea. I had no idea that such gorgeous outfits could be made out of eco-friendly materials. And if it was not for Amy, I don't think I would have ever discovered it.
So I'm just talking about the fashion, the kind of the looks Zareen has. What do you think her fashion style, her fashion statements should be like?
She's a very confident person. That's what I love about her, and she carries the outfit very well. तो ये दो चीज़ें किसी भी individual में हो, तो it is going to be really bang on. I love the entire oomph of Zareen Khan, and she's so bubbly, chirpy. She carries off the outfit so well, and she's always confident in what she wears, and that is the reason I have requested her to come here and promote my cause, and I'm very grateful that she's here today.
And besides this, what was the other reason you just selected her to showcase your outfit?
I think there are loads of girls who want to look like Zareen Khan, right? So when you have a fashion icon, an icon that young people relate to, they always want to copy film stars. That's what it is. लोग हमारे पास भी आते हैं तो कहते हैं कि कल सोनम ने ये outfit पहना था, please आप ये बनाइए. So I think gelling with the mindset of the people, they always relate to Bollywood stars. So if Bollywood stars come forward and support our cause, जनता भी उनको फॉलो करेगी और यही हम चाहते हैं कि people promote eco fashion not only in India but across the world.
Okay, Zareen, most of the Bollywood celebrities, they are just bugged by the fashion, fashion thing. So what is ultimately your fashion funda like?
Well, I don't really follow any fashion trends, and I feel that fashion is all about being comfortable and confident in whatever you're wearing. As long as you wear any outfit with a lot of confidence and you're feeling comfortable in it, I think that's about it.
And do you think that brands are really necessary to look fashionable?
No, not at all. I mean, my personal opinion is that, you don't need a particular brand to make you look gorgeous. I think, as I said, if you are comfortable and confident in whatever you're wearing, whether brand or no brand, you will look good.
Okay, Zareen, so what's happening at the professional front? Are there some projects coming up?
Well, I am about to complete one film which might release somewhere in August and might start another one in September or October.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Roshni,